You'd be muted if you went for a piss. Hello, Clarence. I'm not muted now, guys. Hang on. There we go. What about now? Oh. Are we on? Oh, for fuck's sake, what's happened here? There, what about now? There we go, guys. I must have pressed a button when I must have rested a bag of potatoes on it earlier. What about that one? That one doesn't do out. Oh yeah, it does. No, it doesn't. There we go. I think we're working now, guys. Good evening. I know I am. No, I know that. I worked that out. You don't have to be an American to work that out, do you? No, I managed that, mate. I managed to work that out. I wasn't muted. See, what I did, I pressed the button, you see. And when I pressed the button, it came out of mute. So I knew I wasn't muted. Good evening, Clarence. Hope you're good, mate. I'm only fucking with your head, mate. Don't worry about it. Anyway, what we're going to do tonight is just check we're on things properly. Let's just zoom in. I'm not going to fuck about the zoomer, and I'm just going to use my fingers. There we go. Come here. There we go, guys. Whee. That'll do you. You can see that from there. If you can't, you've got to have problems with your eyes. Anyway, let's go back to 5 for a minute. There we go, because we're going to be mainly using 3. We're only going to be using that when we are... We're only going to be using that when we're actually doing the settings. We're just going to do a setup on that, guys, because... It's one I got off the Mildred some time ago, and it's been knocking about here, and I forgot about it, came across it, so we're going to go through it tonight. It's not working properly, that I do know. I think there's a problem with the sound, and because he had a few of them Sonics. But yeah, we're going to go over that one again. Well, we haven't been over it yet. We're going to go over that one. And... First of all, I'll show you what it's doing, what it's not doing, then we'll take it apart. And I've got some crap on my eye. Hang on. Yeah, I thought it was late, guys, because it looked... I looked at the computer, and it looked like it was fucking 20 past bloody 7. And I looked at the phone, it was dead on 7 o'clock. So no, we're sorted. We are here. So we are going to service, and there it is. We're going to service that thing. If you've not seen one of these before, guys, think of the Fidelity 1000. Those of you in America won't know what a Fidelity 1000 is. Unless, of course, I need to plug this in now, charge the bloody phone up. You won't know what a Fidelity 1000 is unless you've seen a Fidelity 1000. And in North America, you won't have done. Because you didn't get them over there. Unless somebody took one over. There we go. Right, so what we'll do, we'll see what this piece of shit's doing, shall we? See what this crapper's doing. Let's put the solder under it. There we go, soldering irons on. Right, so let's get you guys on the test set. So we'll see what it's doing. We'll just turn the power to it on. We're powered up. So what we'll do, we'll go camera 1, camera 2, sorry. There we go. Now, there we go. So first we'll have a look at the transmitter. What are we doing on the transmitter? Let's go to our zoom power. There we go. 3.8, that's not bad. 3.8 on channel 20. See, it's making that noise. Shouldn't do that. 2.9 on 2.95 on channel 40. We've got a problem. And 3.9 on channel 1. Almost 4 watts on channel 1. We've got a problem, but it shouldn't do that. So we're going to look into that. Now the receiver. Can you hear that whining noise? Shouldn't do that. Right, we don't want to keep the mic. So what we're doing, we're on 50, so let's... We can hit it down to 97 dB. So that's pretty poor, piss poor. And why is it? Oh, hang on. No. Signal meter's not working. Let's move this up. Oh, hang on, we're on the wrong... There you go. We were on the wrong channel, guys. We were on the wrong channel. These were proper bleed over boxes back in the day. There we go. A 100. Can you hear that? We're going to say safely 124 dB. Minus 124 dB. There we go. And we're on minus 70. And we're on S9, which is where we normally work. So we go back to TX, we'll check the frequency. So let's key it up. And it's 27,791,09. So we're a bit out there as well, so there we go, guys. I've got the laptop here, we can read it tonight. I haven't seen much. You see all the cool stuff. Yeah, there's not many people who actually mess about with do these. We'll just unplug the instruments for a minute, turn the power off. There's only a couple of guys in the UK that actually mess with these fidelities. I'm one of them. My friend Richard from UKCB Servicing. He's another that does them. So unplug the old microphone for a minute. And we'll get the casings off. We'll take both sides off so we've got dry joints, we can deal with it. There we go. Dee, 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 dee. Dee, 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 dee. Yeah, we did get a lot of cool sets over here before they legalised it. Or, well, I say legalised it. Before they gave us the offset channels that they gave us. Before they gave us the UK40. We used to get quite a lot of cool stuff. You know. But they don't make anything cool anymore anyway, so it doesn't matter. You know, they make replicas of the 69, of the 3900, which are CRT. You can buy those. They're not a patch on the original. The 6900 and one or two of us is about the best you're going to get. There's not much nowadays that's really worth mithering with. The rest of it's just pretty much junk nowadays. Let's go back to camera 3. There you go. You see it missed me pull the screws out, don't worry guys. Right, hang on a minute. I'm going to have to go and fucking stop that other one out. I thought I would have got out of leaving it. Bear with me a minute, guys. I'm going to have to go in and stop that one. I didn't know. I thought there was only one on. Didn't think I'd got it. I thought I'd got it before it went out. Obviously not. Bear with me. We'll shut that one down that's running and just keep this one on. Because we only want one. Come on, you stupid fucking thing.
This powerful heater can heat up.
Get off.
Room in seconds.
Get off.
High electricity.
Alright. Whoever that is, have to wait. Right, so whoever that is, will have to ring me back. Because gotta get rid of this. The other one hasn't actually gone live, it's waiting. Content. It hasn't actually gone live yet. See, I don't want to stop it. Tuesday live, it's that fucker there. Edit title and delete forever. Yeah. Right, we should be left with just the one now, guys. Refresh that. Yeah, we're just left with the one now, guys. Close that. There we go. Oh, no worries, you do it, mate. I'm glad you let me know. I mean, it wasn't actually live, it was waiting. So it wouldn't have come live until I clicked on it, but yeah, thanks. See who this is. Probably my sister. I'll have to ring you back. I'm on live on YouTube.
I didn't know you was on there.
Yeah, I go on every night except Wednesdays.
Oh, I didn't know. I've just not long back.
Right, how did the funeral go?
It was alright. Lovely. Said some nice words. Jackie was there. He's all dressed up in a suit.
Right,
And he wears glasses now.
right.
And he said, he sat next to me. And he said, he said, I'm going to ask the minister. I said, yes. What? I'm going to say a blessing for me and for the mum's house. I said, no, you know, sit down.
Yeah. Right, listen.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm going to get back to this. I'll speak to you later.
Yeah, alright.
Right. Bye.
Bye,
Andy. Yeah, bye. My sister. Just check my emails while I'm here. Yeah, I already know I'm live. Why does it do that? Why does it tell me I'm live when I already know? Anyway, guys, let's get back to this. Right, so the issue we've got with this is there's two issues. A, it should have the model on it somewhere, GT something. Where is it? GT868. Made by the Great Company, not Great, but they weren't great as in great. That was just the name of the company. Fine purveyors of crap. I'll take the speaker off. Put that there. Plug the external speaker in. I've changed power supplies as well, guys. I've gone off the bench supply there. And I want to just spray a bit of switch cleaner into this because you normally have to. Yeah, that was my sister. She cremated her husband. Well, a fella. She didn't have to. Well, she didn't actually, but you know what I'm saying. I've done the wrong one. Never mind, I can spritz it. There we go. Cheap sockets. Well, I'll plug the bloody mic back in, won't it? I'm going to make a dummy sockets up for the mic and stuff. Right, so what we're going to do first, guys. I don't like the sound that makes. There's no dry joints. What I'm going to do, I'm going to spray and just hope some of that shit goes down into there. You never know, it might. Check all the screws are tight. that can do it, you know. If there's a screw loose. No, we've got a dry joint somewhere. And I bet it's under that fucker there. Let's do it this way. Don't wrap the wires around each other. Spray these switches while we're here. There you go. You can hear that howling noise. You can hear that howling noise. I'm doing it now. Put on channel. Well, the display's gone off. Oh, it's because I turned the dimmer down. There we go. Right, put on receive. Put the instrument in. You can hear that. Anyway, that's probably. Probably have to do a few capacitors in it. And then never mind that. Let's do the transmitter first. Now we've got no receiver. Well, we have. Where's the receiver gone? Ah. There you go. Turn the volume down. Doesn't help, does it? Right, where's my twiglets? Right, so what we're going to need. Right, well, we know what we need. Let's get after it, get it done. I'm going to use the metal. I'm going to use the aluminium one tonight. Transmit. Right, let's put you onto the camera for transmit. So what we're going to do, we're going to adjust this, this, and this, and this. Let's put you on the camera. Let's put you on, and we'll see what we can get out of this, shall we? Let's see if we can balance the power up a bit more. Let's see if we can zoom in a bit more as well, because we're a bit out there, aren't we? That'll do, yeah. Right. So we're on transmit. We're on channel 20. And we want to be doing... So what we'll do, we'll peak up the transmitter. And let's put it on the big... There you go. That one's good. We've just done that one, yeah. Now we're going to that one. That one's good. That's not bad. So let's get the what do you call it one out. That's causing a bit of a what do you call it, isn't it? Get the ceramic one out. Go over them again. That one is right. That's better. Better. I think this one is receive, I'm not sure. We'll try it. No, it's transmit. That's it. 3.8. Three 3.8. Make sure we've got the right tool. That's right. Then we'll get the next. Do the next one. That's it. That one. We're just under the 4 watts for 3.8. To be honest with you guys, you don't get much out of these. You don't really get 4 out of them. Let's turn it down. .98, just under 4 watts. Let's see what the power balance is like. Channel 1, 3.7, 3.9. Let's just try and bring that one a bit better. I'd like the power a bit better balanced than that, but just go over these. I think actually for, don't lose me thing, my tool nearly rolled off then. I think it's this one. 40, that's 3.9, 3.8. Those are my guys. I'm not even gonna fucking bother. I'm not gonna bother, I'm happy with that. Low power on this is not adjustable. Let's see what low power does. And it does 173 milliwatts. That's what we're getting, as you can see. Now let's go back to channel 20. And we're actually on 4 point, just over 4 watts. See, it's starting to cool down now. See, the transmitter's starting to cool down now. Because we're actually warm now, but now we're starting to cool down. We're actually doing a little bit more power. Now let's see who's in. Hello Birmingham boy, Mark and Bernie and everybody else. Hello Jason. There we go. That's about it. So we go now to, what we'll do, we'll give the high-low power switch a quick spritz. There we go. Well, that's 4 watts, 4.1 we're doing, 4.1. And what are we on? Well, it's on the 4 watts. So that's the 4 watts done. That's that done. Next one we want to go to the receiver, and we need the lead for the oscilloscope, so we can do the receiver. So what I'm going to have to do here, I'm going to have to clip onto the internal speaker for this. But the trouble is it cuts out, doesn't it? Yeah, I'm going to have to make a lead up. Press scope. Yeah, nothing there. Put on receive. Put back on scope. I've not done the frequency yet, but we'll do that. Right. Detector. Hang on. Try and get this back on here. Nope. I got it on there a minute ago. Let's see if we can pull that off the end there. See if we can just put the end of that on. I'll have to hold it. So detector. I'm not sure which one it is, I can't remember. That's not that one. It's one of these. Not that one. Then it has to be that one. No. Hang on. No. Which is your detector in this then? It's got to be one of these. There's one there, tucked away. That's it. That's it. Detector set. So, get that back out of the way. Now, right, so let's turn this down. That's going the wrong way. There we go. Right. Now, let's see. So we can unplug that from there. And we need to use that one there. I think it's that one. I'm not 100% sure. That's it. So let's tune the receiver. We'll start with this one here. And can I put this on? Can I put this on full screen so you can see it? We want. That's what we want. Cyanide. That's power. That's mod. Cyanide. There we go. Let's put it on. On auto. That's where we're up to. Alright, so what we'll do, we'll turn it on. Now we're at 8 and 9. So we'll do the receiver. I'll need to make leads up for this. Well, I've got them, we're just going to get them out the back of the computer. It's the wrong tool. That's the one. There we go. We've got gained a bit there. Not really gain anything there. Just press range because the needle's not doing much, is it? There you are. Alright, so done that, we've done that. Come and do this one. We've got to put it on frequency yet, because we forgot. There we go. A bit more there. That's improved, hasn't it, guys? Whoa. That's improved. It's improved. That's a bit more. Look at that, guys. And this pink one wasn't the detector. There we we go. That's about as best we're gonna get. Right. So we need to make leads up because we need to do the sign ad the same way we did it on the computer. Right. So let's see what. Let's have a listen to our receiver now, guys. I might not do the caps in it tonight. Might save them for another night. And we might even be alright now. Spray some fucking spritz into that fucking volume control. Still fucking complaining. Right, so let's go down. Let's go to our return. Oh, hang on, I needed to leave this on, didn't I? While we turned it up. There we go. That's my girl lollipop. You make my heart go giddy up. You are as sweet as candy. You are my sugar. Right, we're on 4 to 15. And we're down to... We can hear it at 22. I think we've gone a bit too far. Right, well, that should be S9. Take that off there. So we do need to make a lead up. What we've already got one. Got to get it from behind there. Hi Julie, honey. Hello Spider X Mobile. Is it Spider X Mobile? I think that's it, isn't it? Yeah, the new ones. Right, so what we'll do now, we'll just check we're doing S9. And we are dead on. Let's see if we can fucking do something. I mean, that volume control shouldn't be... It's got a lot of sprayed stuff in, but it might be just warm, guys. There you go. I mean, it might just be worn. So we'll probably have to look out for another control for it. See, this is why these were called bleed over boxes. Because we're on channel 17. Right, so what we'll do now, guys, we'll turn that down. We're still getting that noise. So we're not going to look into that tonight. We'll look into that. We'll save that for another night. So what we'll do, we'll go back onto the transmitter. And we'll turn the radio off for a minute while we find our pliers, so we can take our top off our because you have to take the top off this. We're not going to do the VCO. There we go. We're not going to mess with the VCO because we don't really need to, because it locks on all 40 channels. Now if I can move that out of the way, I'm getting these out of the see what it is, we've got the wires for the channel selector and they're coming over this way. We could really do with them out of the way so we can lift this box off. Someone's been on this as well. You really need to lift this. We need to lift this box off the top of it so we can. We're not soldered there, are we? No. Come out, you cunt. A lot of people don't put these back on, and I can understand why. Yeah, I can understand why people don't put these on. Let's go back to camera 3 for a minute. You can see what I'm fighting with. I'm trying to get the cover off here. I don't want to undo these screws. Move all that forward. I might have to, but didn't have to on the... There you go. When I did the Fidelity 1000, I didn't have all that. Right, so what we need to do here, guys... Yeah, I wondered what that squeak was. It's this. No, that rot's plastic. Drop a bit of oil. That'll do us. There you go. There we go. Right, so what we need is turn the radio back on. See, we're getting that noise again now. Right, and what we want to adjust this one here. So if I just squeeze the mic, we're on transmit. 27.7. Really? Oh, hang on. No, we're on channel 20. So why are we... $27.75. That's wrong. should be 2779. 2775. That's wrong. That's wrong, that, guys. That's well out. Wasn't before. So we've got a loose connection under here. Just turn the knob. That's wrong. That's definitely not right. We haven't adjusted anything in there yet. Wonder if it's because the top's off. Let's put the top back there. No, it's not making no difference. That wire there's a bit loose. I can't see why that would make any difference. Just turn my monitor receiver on. That's on 40. Shit. $27. Wonder, oh there we are. Wonder if it's this fucking lead. I don't understand that. Press clear. There we go. That'll set everything back where I want it. 2775. Right, let's put this back at that. Let's put this. Right. 2779. That's RF frequency. Right. 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 27.79 125. That's it. That's our receive. Now we've got to count. That's right out. Oh, that's weird. Let's adjust it. I don't like the thought the mic moves when I... Right, so let's try and adjust it. That don't fucking fit. Where's me other tool? I normally use this tool for these. Not making any fucking difference. Why? We've got a problem under the VFO, we've got a problem under VCO. Why are we not making any difference? That's definitely the one for the adjustment, that other one there's VCO. I wonder if we've got a dry joint somewhere. Get me. I think we've got a problem somewhere, guys. Transmitting. It is transmitting, there's no problem with that. It's just not moving up here. That's just not right. Let's just plug this in. Where's my adapter? Now I want to plug it into something else. I won't be able to find the freaking adapter. It should be up here. So sitting there with that lot. No, it ain't. I chucked it in a jug this afternoon. I chucked it in one of these plastic jugs. Because it rolled off the bench and I didn't want to lose it. So I chucked it in one of these plastic jugs. But can I fucking see which one? Can I remember which one? It's got to be that one. No, it ain't that one. I thought it was. No, it's not that one. I threw it in one of these plastic jugs. Oh, it could be this one. No, that's just got valves in it. Nope. Where the fucking hell did I put that? Has it gone in this one? We've got loads of these jugs. Could have gone in any of them. Well, not in that one either. So I want my adapter. Has it gone in this or have I put it in here? No. Put it in there. What about this one? No. Put it in fucking one of them. And I didn't put it in there. And it ain't in the bottom one. I threw it in one of the jugs. I thought, oh, I better throw that in there to be safe. Now I can't find the bloody thing. Lovely. That's what happens, guys. But yeah, we're didn't throw it in here, did I? Yeah, I did. We've got it. I threw it in with the twiddling sticks. But what we're going to do, we'll just plug it into the realistic. Make sure we're not having a problem. Make sure our test set hasn't gone on one. Right, so we're on channel 20. Yeah. Twenty-seven, 7, 9, 1, 2, 6. No, we're on. So we know the test set's okay. I never suspected it wasn't really. But we've got a problem somewhere with this radio. Oh, hang on. So we know that it's the radio. But it weren't far off before, it wasn't that bad. Yeah, let's just give it a tap. See, it's jumping about. It's not the... Put the speaker back in. Put a low power. If it's the low power switch. That's all over the place, that, guys. That's... See what my daughter wants. Probably fucking... Probably wants to borrow something. Thanks, Julie. Thanks, honey. Just seeing that now. Thanks, love. Hello?
You alright?
Yeah,
How are you?
I'm alright.
Good.
You're in ass kissing mode.
Right.
Yeah.
Are you buying a Freddy's tonight?
No, why?
I just thought I'd see if you were.
Yeah. I don't know, I might do a bit later, but not at the moment. I'm busy with this. Yeah. I don't normally order. If I'm going to buy one, I don't normally order it till about 10.
Right.
Yeah.
I'll still be awake at 10.
Right, well, I'll order you one then.
Thank you.
Yeah. Good ass kisser.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah. Ass kisser. Ah. Yeah, it's jumping all over the place, that, guys. Yeah, there's something wrong with that. Go to channel. That's not normal. Shouldn't make that noise. 27.6. That's just wrong. Fucking wrong. That is definitely wrong. Yeah, there's something not right with this, guys. We're going to have to dig deep into it. We know that there's for the VCO. Put back on 20. It wasn't far off before, but there's a problem in here. Because the capacitor isn't even moving. Let's turn that one. No, Yeah, there's something not right there, because although we're transmitting, we're not transmitting on the right frequency. But there won't be these. There's something inside here. I can't turn that with that. $27.75. That's way off. But the, what do you call it, guys? The actual preset isn't making a difference. The actual preset isn't making a difference. So we've got a dry joint somewhere. Probably that fucking grey capacitors might even be the problem. Let's have a look at the. Yeah, we've got a problem with it somewhere, guys. I'm just trying to see. What might be loose? We've definitely got a problem. See, I adjusted the. It's nothing to do with any of this. Didn't adjust that one, did that? VCO. Right. We're not even receiving on there, I don't think. Yeah, we are. But we're not. Yeah, it's a problem we've got down here. That's the, what do you call it there? That's your VCO. Yeah. Yeah, we don't want to mess with that. Not, but this capacitor here is not doing nothing. That's weird. Let's turn it off for a minute. Then we'll leave it for a second or two, then we'll turn it back on and see what it does. Let's try that again. We're on channel 20. $27.75. That's RF frequency. We want to be on TX frequency. RF. Yeah, RF frequency. Yeah, we are on TX. And we are, let's check. Right, so the offset is free, but it's coming down. Right. Special. What's that do? No. That's definitely not right. I don't think it's any of these because of the only one that more likely could be would be that one, but I doubt it. I can't see that having anything to do with it. No. That won't have anything to do with it. It could be. Ah. Right. So we're not. So the problem. Someone's been at this, guys. Yeah, you can see where the print's lifted. Turn it off. You can see where the print's lifted. Someone's been at this. Someone's been on this knob. This has been replaced. This channel change has been replaced. Well, see if that's any better. You've got horrible noise. We're going to have to, what do you call it, aren't we? I'm trying to find out. Could be the crystal even. It could be even the crystal. Or it could even be a dodgy PLL, we don't know. I mean, when I go on to here, one, two. It wouldn't move away. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just turn the volume, bring this up a bit. I've got a feeling one, two. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's definitely off. It's definitely off. It's not transmitting correctly. Yeah. Yes. It's finding itself hard to transmit, to be honest. That's not happy. Yes. 7, 4. What are some crystals? Fucking goose. 7, 5. There won't be any of these out here. Won't be any of these. I adjusted these. Won't be any of them. It won't be any of these. And that one there is your, that one there is your VCO. That's your VCO. Transmit VCO. I can't see that being a problem. No, won't be that. It's not that. I'm going to have to look underneath here, aren't I? I'm going to have to bite the bullet, aren't I, guys? I'm going to have to bite the bullet. Try and get this off here. That's one off. This is Christine. Well, that one's off as well. I wonder if that had anything to do with it. That one's off. So I wonder if that had anything to do with it. Let's just hold these down here. Hang on. Yeah. Let's get it off. Let's have a look under it. We should have one on the other end there. And then we show another one. There you go. Now, so we need to look at there's one joint. And that's the PLL. Russia FM subsystems. Let's turn it on the tap around there. Alright, let's get the tool. No, we've got something not right down here. Yeah, it drops. Yeah, and you tap there. See if it drops without me tapping it. No. Right. Well, we know it's got a dry joint in it somewhere. Christine,
Yeah,
do us a coffee.
bring your chocolate and
Well, whatever, anything will do. My throat's as dry as a nun's crotch. That Laura's a cheeky bastard.
I what's up?
She phoned me up for asked me if I was ordering a Freddy's. Do you want a takeaway?
Yeah.
Right.
Get some garlic bread as well, Andy.
She don't want garlic bread.
I want garlic bread.
Christine, I can't afford all that shit.
Just taking scraps out, Andy.
Okay. Hmm. We'll just do the pins of the PLL to begin with. I don't know what the issue is, guys. I mean, right. Right, let's try that. Don't think it's going to make much difference. No, it's way off. Let's try undoing these screws again. I tightened all them, didn't I? Don't think that'll make much difference. No. Let's tighten them back up. See, the problem is we've got a bloody proper connection somewhere. See if it still goes off when I tap this. I think it's down that channel control changer, because yeah, we're going to redo that channel changer. I'm not happy with it. It looks like somebody's replaced the changer. I mean there. I mean there. See, these are all lifted. These are all lifted, these guys. See that there? That's supposed to go to there. Alright, that's right. That's connected. Now that's... somebody's been at this, guys. What channel are we on? Well, we don't know now because we've got no channels. We don't know now because we've obviously got a problem. And unplug that. got a problem. Yeah, we're gonna have to. Yeah, someone's been at this. This is not original. I have got another one. I've got another one of these somewhere. I'll have to dig it out. But that connection there. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, someone's been at these guys. Yeah. Well, the channel should work now. No, they don't. No, nothing. No. Yeah, we've got a problem. Because somebody's been on this, that's all it is. You can see where the fucking... Could really do with a thinner iron to do this. I've got one, I have to get it out. Not doing that now. I might have to get a thinner iron out for this. It's very, very... Do that one there. That could be it. No. See if it's actually, see if the channel, see if it's actually making any difference when I turn the channel knob. That's weird. Yeah, that's got a problem. Oh, fucking dry joint there, guys. There. Where the hell was it? Here. There we go. Yeah, I think we've got a bit of a problem here. And the trouble is you can't fucking... That's the... What do you call it? Let's find where channel 20 is. No, we do just turn the knob. That's channel 20. But it's not right. Right. So we're gonna have to... Yeah, so we're gonna have to find out why. I mean... So we've got a problem which is... Yeah. I'm just looking. But yeah, I mean... We have got a problem. Probably... See where that cap goes? But then caps are fucking known for it. And I think it's... Just unplug the mic. Right. Then caps are known for it. That fucker there. Right. Yeah, we're... I think it's there. I think that's the crystal. It's that capacitor I want to look for, which is this fucker here. Gotta be. No, not this one. It's right next to the chip. But it's just not just in front of it actually, it's just right next to the crystal, it's there. There's the crystal. Right, the capacitor. Is, yeah, it's got to be. It's right next to the crystal. There's the crystal. That capacitor doesn't feel right. It's sort of like lopsided, which means it must go over there. That's the crystal. Sorry. Go there. Yeah, that's one side of it. And yeah, I thought it was right. That's the other side of it. Let's try that case that was right, because that didn't feel right. Let's try that. Not worried about the channel display at this point. That's on here.
Yeah, Andy. What do you want it?
I'll just put it over there. I'm going to sit over there in a minute. Right, well, I think what we're going to do, guys, I think for tonight, see where that capacitor goes. It actually does go to the crystal. Trouble is finding the fucking, I threw everything in the drawer, you see. So finding the sucker and everything, it's going to be a bastard. Finding all the tools, I just lobbed everything in here. Didn't think I'd need it, you see. And we can't find, there's one sucker, but that's not the one I want. I want me a really good one. I can't seem to see it. Oh, there it is. I must have got it out earlier. What can I talk about? Right. So what we'll do, we'll take, I think it's there. And there. Let's just make sure. Turn it off would help. Now let's find the capacitor. It's there. That's one side of it. There's got to be something around there. And the other one, the other end of it's there. There we go. Right. Now let's see if we can pull the bloody thing out. Ow. Well, we've got it. And that doesn't look very good. See what happens with that out. Dee 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 dee. That still transmits. Let's see what this capacitor is. It's very UF. Let's see what it is. We know what it is, so we'll see what it's supposed to. So we'll see what it is. We know what it's supposed to be. But yeah, I mean, it's not worth spending your time on one of these spinny things, but for the video, we may as well have a laugh. Oh, hang on, we're not on. There you go. Yeah, the plot thickens. We've got a dodgy cap. Yeah. We've got a dodgy cap. So it is made by somebody called Giant. It is 220 UF at 10 volts. 220 UF at 10 volts. And luckily we've got some in this one. 220 UF at 10 volts. There we go, guys. That was capacitor's definitely dead. So what we'll do, we'll make sure we're off. We are. We'll pop in our new one. Go on, get in. Oh, don't be doing that, the fucking holes are there. There we go. As I say, I'm not worried. Hang on. That's not right. No, that's not right. come through that hole there? Sold that one back up. Yeah. Sold that. Sold that. Sold that. Now, don't know where my clippers are. I've chucked them back here. They are. Do. Right. Well, we're still 27.75. Let's try the adjuster. No, we're not getting anything there, guys. We're not getting fuck all there. That capacitor's loose. That adjuster's loose. You see it moving when you turn it. not right, that, guys. It's definitely. No, that's definitely not right. Oh, hang on a minute. Right, so 27.75. I think we've got a problem somewhere. I think we've got a problem. I think we've got a problem. Yeah, I think we've got a problem here, guys. It's working, but it's not working properly. I mean, I've got a feeling we're going to be on this again at Thursday. Because what time is it? Yeah. I think we're on it Thursday, guys, because we're 21. Yeah. So we're... Just check that capacitor there. So what we're going to do, definitely okay, it's moving, but it's not, it's soldered. We're definitely soldered in. Yeah, so we've got a problem in here somewhere. Yeah, it's definitely a problem there. Because it's not even adjusting. It's not even adjusting, guys. Yeah, we're not getting any adjustment on it. Yeah. Yeah, we're not getting any. Nothing. See if it's still getting into our monitor receiver. Can't see how we would be. We are. Only just though. Not getting much there. Getting 4 watts though. We're receiving still. Right. No. Nope. We are definitely off. Yeah, we are definitely off, guys. Probably got a bad PLL or something. It's transmitting, but not in the right place. So it's probably got a bad PLL or I'll have to see if we've got the spares. Let's just double check our frequency. So we're on channel 20 with the realistic. And if we go on to receive, there you go. Transmit. And that's working because that's dead right, that 2779127. That frequency is dead right, guys. So we know the test set is what is okay. We know the test set is okay. Just see if we're transmitting into this. Yeah, we are. But we're not on. But we're not on frequency. We're definitely not on frequency, guys. Let's turn that off. There we go. Yeah, we're not on frequency. I think it could be. It's either a crystal or the PLL. Because we're not there. Yeah, 27.75. It could even be the capacitor because we're not getting any adjustment. So let's turn this off. Yeah, we're using a different power supply, guys. We're using. Let's turn this test set off because I'm done with it for tonight. What we'll do, turn the power supply off. Yeah, I actually had Steve repair that. That's a Mass SP 330 SPS 332. It's a 30 amp. It's a 30 amp power supply, guys. It's a 30 amp. I think it's a 30 amp power supply if I remember rightly. What I'll do, I'll have a look at the manual, and we'll come back to this. I know there's a problem with the channels. We've lost those, but that's not. I'm not worried about that. That's only what do you call it? That's only our probably down to our dimmer, but this has all been messed with this. So we're gonna see what we can do. Oh, right. Well, I'm gonna leave it there for now, guys, because I want something to eat. I'm getting hungry. I'm gonna order. And me chocolates there. I forgot that. Come back to you guys. Let's come back to you guys. There we go. Good evening, Raymond. Good evening, Ray. What am I doing? Well, instead of saying what is he doing, why don't you ask me what I'm doing? I'm working on a Fidelity. Well, it's not a Fidelity. It's a Sonic. A very cheap Sonic CB radio from about 1982. Yeah. Good evening, Ray. Yeah, why can't people say what are you doing instead of what's he doing? That's ignorant. I don't like it. I think there's dry joints in that. I think we've got a plague of dry joints, guys. We've got something not right. But I'm not changing every bloody capacitor in that. It's not worth it. I'll never get my money back when I sold it, guys. There's just nothing in it for me to. I mean, if I was going to do it for myself, I would. I'll carry on, but I'm not changing all the capacitors. Because that sort of windy sound, that's capacitors in the audio stage. That sort of wind blowing sound, that's capacitors in the audio stage. But I'm not worried about the audio stage. Well, if you're new here, I hope you enjoy it. It's we have a laugh, and on a Friday night we go live on the radio. Well, that's it, because there's no money in it, really, to be honest with you guys. There's no money in that, so, you know, I mean, it is worth more in parts. I think it's either got a dodgy PLL or a dodgy crystal. I might change the crystal, but that being said, we're not getting any adjustment on the when we try and adjust the frequency, when we try and adjust it for the frequency, we're not getting any adjustment on the capacitor. So the actual the trimmer capacitor could even be open. It could be anything. So, you know, yeah, someone's already been around the channel display, and that's why that's gone off when I've put the soldering iron near it, because I've disconnected something by accident. But somebody had been near that. Someone needs to take care of the old equipment better than being scrapped. That's true, but I've got another one of them anyway, which is perfect. I've got another one of them, which is absolutely perfect. It's in really good condition. It's in better condition than that. So I've got another one of them in my box in the bedroom. But yeah, we're sort of, yeah. Anyway, guys, just to give you a bit of an update on the other channel, we've got the Fal Phoenix. Yep. Is that the police or is it an aeroplane? We've got the Fal Phoenix well on the way to Rude Recovery. That's well on its way back. We're just waiting for a lot of stuff coming for that. It's all smalls, but we're waiting for it all coming. We're waiting for the amplifier modules. We've got the heat sinks. We've got all the nuts and bolts and hardware, cup washers and all the fucking rest, all the 9 yards. We even got the Super Disco decal, because I bought the Phoenix one and it wouldn't fit. So I decided to just change the model and call it a Super Disco, because Fal made a Super Disco. It was exactly the same as that linear Super Disco behind us. The only difference was the linear had Garrard decks, as you can see, SP25s, and the Fal Phoenix, the Fal Super Disco at BSR McDonald's. Have you ever purchased anything from Radio World in Great Wireley? Is that in London, Radio World? That's in London, isn't it? Because I have, yes, years ago. Order something, wonder what the place is like. Let me just see if it's the same place. Let me just, because I don't know. There is a Radio World in London. Let's type it in Google here, guys. Let's go to Google, get the Googleator going. Firefox is updating for some fucking unknown insane reason. There we go. Come on, Firefox. There we go. Radio World. Well, we seem to be getting the Google later, but we're not getting... Oh, for God's sake. Oh, there we go. Decided to come on. Radio World. Radio World. Radio World UK. Electronics Retail and Repair. Walsall. Yeah. I thought it was London. But there is one in Pudsley. That's the one I've ordered from. Radio World. Well, what am I going to order though? Well, I mean, what do I fucking want? I'll order something to see if there's see what they say. Yeah, I think I've ordered from this before. Radio World UK. Let's have a look, see what's about, see what they've got. eBay, Amazon. I'll just order something cheap. Save 5% on your on your order. Fuck off. I want to just look, see what I'll do. I'll order something. I'll order something, see what it's like. What are you thinking of ordering, Ray? I mean, there's a lot. I mean, they cover a wide range. Amateur radio accessories, amateur radio antenna. Do they do CB radio stuff? Now PayPal now available. No, I've not ordered from here before because they've got a shop on eBay. Let's have a look on there. They've got an eBay shop. Here we are. Radio World UK. We'll find something cheap and nasty, shall we? Messy and whatever. PL259 Ultraflex 7. 7 quid, whatever that is. I don't want a Morse key. They seem to do quite a few things here. They even do computer games. I failed to see what computer games have got to do with radio. I don't know. Seem to do fucking. They call themselves Radio World guys, but they seem to do categories. Let's see. I don't think they do accessories. Let's go to antennas, or aerials as we call them here in the UK. Don't think they've had the channel here long. Accessories. Not got much in the way on here, to be honest. See all. Yeah, they've only got 2 items there, isn't there? No, I won't be ordering from these guys. No. I'm not ordering from these. The reason why is they haven't got a lot of stuff. So let's have a look in their main shop. Have a look in their shop. Loyalty points. Fuck off. Let's have a look in their main shop. Here we are. Antenna analyzer and power SWR meter. So what are they asking for that? They don't seem to give you prices. So how much is that? They don't seem to get. I don't want to buy something I don't really want. Antenna analyzers. Right. Fuck me. MFJ 269D. I think that is. Now, how much do they want for that? Fuck me, 499 quid off me. I don't think I'll be ordering anything from here. I think the prices are a bit fucking dear, to be honest. No. Don't think we're going to be bothering with that, Ray. Won't be bothering with that. I'm not ordering now from that place. Yeah. No, yeah. 66 for the kit and £18 for shipping. Next day, got a message said it was £22, another £22 now. I won't be ordering nothing from there. There is actually a place in London, which I read out, and they're good. I spoke to them on the phone a few years ago, and they're good. But no, I won't be ordering anything from this place. No, I don't think so, guys. That's not going to be happening. But the other one, Radio World, if we go to Radio World in Pudsley, go to that one. Go to Radio World. We'll just put Radio World, then we'll take out the UK. UK, and it will give us should give us the one in Pudsley, which is in London. This is the one I ordered from. Yeah, this is the one I ordered. I ordered something from this one. And if you go into there, and that's a completely different thing altogether. Go to shop. Right. The Radio World, the one I've got from, they deal with CBs and everything, not just amateur gear. See, there's a bit of a, to be honest with you guys, there's a bit of a snobbery. There's a bit of a snobbery really between CB radio and amateur radio. Amateur radio operators look down on CB operators like CB radio operators are a lump of shit, and they shouldn't, because let's go to Radio World, Pudsey. I'm sure I ordered. Fucking hell. No, that's just directions from the place. I want to find a website, but that's just directions. That takes you to it there. You click on that, should take you to it. Yeah, but I've ordered from this place. I'm sure I did, because I bought my iMacs from them. Radio World official. No, we don't want to go on that one, because why has he come up with that again? Radio World. See what they've got in used. That's there's a lot about you don't have to use places like Radio World. There's places like Knights and Lambs and, you know, Radio World Kit UK. No, we don't want them. Don't want Radio World UK. This is the one I want really, but there we go. Website address contacts. Let's click on that one. Radio World. That doesn't tell me fuck all either. Yeah, there's the phone number there. Radio World, there we go. No, it ain't, that's something fucking else. Fuck off. Right. NW Online. Oh, fuck off. You get bounced about everywhere. Radio World. So you can call them there. They have got a website I bought from them years ago. I bought a fucking IMAX from them. I'm not fucking. Well, 99 Brantford Road, Pudsley. I want the website. Obviously, there's no website. So that's not the one either. But, yeah. Oh, fuck that. Spent too much time looking for that. Yeah, I'm not ordering nothing place. Sound like a bunch of shysters, to be perfectly honest. I'm not ordering now from there, Ray. I'm sorry, mate, but no. What was it you were after anyway? Can't you find what you were after on eBay? I mean, yeah. There's other places like there's Lambs and there's Knights. You know, Knights is not bad. Knights seem to have everything, and Lambs do as well. Lambs Radio. Let's go there. I'm gonna fuck off in a minute, guys, because I'm gonna order me dinner. Well, me supper. Come on, come on. Wake up. There we go. Knights. Here we go, Knights CB. I better phone Christine up and tell her, see if she's coming over for the supper. But just type in, I'll do it in a second. Just say goodnight to you guys first. Yeah, but you know, Knights is on eBay and everywhere. I mean, you can't get wrong. Knights and Lambs, you can't go wrong. Fuck me. Ray said a ground playing kit for all right. Right. Sometimes it's best. I mean, can you not find it in Canada now? You know, you'd think it'd be for sale there as well. But yeah, you know, try Knights or Lambs. You know, try Knights or Lambs, because Knights and Lambs they do a whole load of stuff. But they don't just cater for amateur radio. They cater for CB as well. They cover it all. No, it's a UK antenna. How the bloody hell did it end up in Canada. You must have ordered it and had it sent over. Well, what is it we're looking for? Yeah, a ground plane kit for a Sigma 8 jet. I would try lambs or knights. Most probably knights. I would probably try knights because they're more than likely to have it. I would try knights. Let's have a look. Knights. Radio. Right, here we go. Knights second-hand equipment. Knights electronic, whatever they fucking call themselves. But they seem to do a lot in here. Second-hand listing. Did they do? Can you search? Can you view products? Barracuda, Cybernet board, Black Front EU, 45 quid. That's dear. Danita. But then again, they're guaranteed when you get them. You know, but they cover a lot of fucking stuff, Knights. You know, Knights CB shop is a rip-off. Everywhere's a rip-off, though. That's the problem. For anyone thinking of going to Knights CB shop, yeah, I wouldn't bother. Doug is a right rip-off and a total screwdriver jockey. I won't be going there then. But I have ordered stuff from there. I mean, some places. Let's have a look at lambs. I mean, so some places you can't fucking avoid it. Lambs. On radio. Lambs radio. What's this one here? Lamco. Ham radio shop. Wonder if to change the name to that. But yeah. See the problem with fucking amateur radio shops, they're very, very snobbish. They won't deal with CB guys. You know. And at the end of the day, guys, that's not bad. Oh shit. I'm gonna order it now.
Right, I'm cold.
Right, I'll speak to you in a bit. I'm just coming offline. Speak to you in a bit. Bye. Right, guys, I'm gonna have to go and order my takeaway, I'm afraid. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. You know, give lambs a look at. Lamco. Give Lamco a look at. You know. Anyway, I'll be back Thursday, guys. You all take it easy. And I'll see you Thursday. Thank you very much. Like, share, buy me a coffee, all that good stuff. You all take care, guys. I'll see you Thursday. Thank you very much once again. You all take care. Look after yourselves. Bye for now.